Okay, so I'm going to show you how to organize your Google Drive files. So here's an example of what your drive might look like. So I have some like random folders here, and then I have a bunch of random documents and other things down here. So yours might look something like this. So I'm going to do this example as if I were an 8th grade student. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a new folder. So I'll go over here to new folder. I'm just going to title this folder Eastwood. Alright, so now I have an Eastwood folder, and if yours doesn't look like this little icon right here allows you to change the view. Maybe yours is in this view, or it might be in the tile view like mine. Either way is fine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag everything into this Eastwood folder. So first I'll drag my folder, so I can either click and drag one thing at a time, or if I click kind of in this white space and drag over things, it lets me select multiple things at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this folder into here. I don't know what years these are from. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to put it all in one big folder because it's just too much work to try to organize things into smaller folders now. So now I have all these documents that I need to drag in there. Again, I'm going to do just like a few at a time. So I'm going to click and drag over. I'll do this many at a time. Oops, there we go. And then I will click and drag. So it tells me this little red number in the corner tells me how many files I'm dragging. So I have 10. I'm going to drag them into my Eastwood folder. I'll give it a minute. And my documents are just fake documents, so they're moving really quickly. You might have to wait up to 30 seconds to over a minute, depending on how big your documents are and how many you're dragging at a time, for them to go into that folder. So now I'm ready for my next small batch. Drag these in here. And I still have more to do, so I'm going to go ahead and drag more. Still more. Okay, so now I have all of my files into a folder that says Eastwood. Okay, after you have done that, read the further instructions on our Canvas page, and then I'll show you in the next video what to do next.